Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Facebook account is accessible and you remember the password. This prevents lockouts later. Next, install Google Authenticator on your phone and open it so it's ready. Then, go to Facebook settings right arrow security and log in right arrow use two-factor authentication. Once done, choose the authentication app option. This is the first actionable step that links the app to Facebook, so stay on the screen and prepare to scan or enter a code. You'll now connect the two apps. When Facebook shows a QR code and a setup key, open Google Authenticator and tap to add a new account. If you can, scan the QR code directly because it's fastest. If not, choose manual entry and type the setup key. Once the account appears in Authenticator, it generates a 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Enter the current code back in Facebook to confirm the pairing, and make sure you complete this verification step immediately. You finish by saving Facebook's recovery codes somewhere safe and testing a fresh login to confirm everything works. This verifies that the Authenticator is producing valid codes. Make sure your phone's time settings are automatic because time drift breaks codes. If a code is rejected, don't panic. Use a saved recovery code to log in, then resync the app by correcting phone time or redoing the setup. Finally, make sure your backup method is accessible in case you lose the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.